This is Gail Sibley. I'm at the IAPS Convention in Albuquerque, and I'm with Jude Tolar. Judy, you're really well known for your beautiful floral paintings, which I know that you do on location. So can you just talk to that? Like, how do you deal with changing light? How do you deal with being outside painting flowers?
Oh, certainly. I love to be outdoors to paint them on plein air. I like to paint from life, see them in their natural environment with the best light of all, which is sunlight. So what I like to do is go out and walk wherever I am. I'm painting things in season. I paint in the morning. I will walk around and find good light or something that catches my eye. It's typically backlit flowers, and I like to work up close. I zoom in to them. So what I'm looking for are flowers with personality and have a story. And when I find the story, then that's where I set up. I like to work where I'm eye level with them. Yes, you have to work quickly in plein air, on plein air, but when you're working with backlighting, the light does not change as significantly or as quickly as it does if the sun is going across this way. If it's coming over you, you have more time to work. 2 hours is plenty of time for about an 11 by 14. You can really get a sense of that particular flower. I don't really worry so much about backgrounds a lot because I am telling that flower's story. Maybe a floral portrait is a way I would think about it. I usually look for somewhere where I can be in the shade and my models are in the sun with that light. So I may use an umbrella or tuck behind a tree. And I also have to think about how that shade on me is going to change. So if there's some particular light pattern, for example, on a petal or a leaf that is the part that intrigues me most, I try to paint that quickly and early so that it is nailed before that light changes. Otherwise, I will work over the entire piece all at the same time, working from dark to light. So I start with those shadows and the darks, and then I just keep painting the colors and the light that are on top of it. And the other reason for working quickly is flowers do turn in a 2-hour period. I, for example, learned that okra flowers, which are cousin to hibiscus, they close in about 2 hours. They're open first thing in the morning for the bees. Hello, bees. And then they take a nap. So you learn those things, sometimes the hard way, but you just have to plan for it. And it's kind of like camping or gardening. It's just always an adventure. And just have to have a sense of humor and a lot of passion to go out and do it again. So that's my process.
That's fantastic. It's so interesting. Thanks so much, Judy.
Well, thank you for interviewing me, and IAPS is just the best convention for pastel artists that I can think of. Wow.
Great. Thank you.